Hey everyone, welcome to my first YouTube video. My name is Vish and I'm super excited to be here. If you're watching this, you're probably interested in cloud native tech, or maybe you stumbled upon this video and thought Kubestronaut means I fly rockets for NASA. Not quite, but it is still pretty cool. So I've recently completed the Kubestronaut program offered by the Linux Foundation and the CNCF. That means I have completed all 5 certifications related to Kubernetes offered by these organizations. It was a big challenge, like running a marathon, but at the end, it was really worth it. You might be asking, why get these tests done? A few years ago, Kubernetes wasn't that popular, but now all the big and small companies they run their major applications on Kubernetes technology. So, knowing how to use Kubernetes, it's not just an extra skill, it's a mandatory thing now. These certifications are not just easy exams. The Linux Foundation and the CNCF, they ensure that you actually do things in a real Kubernetes setup. So let me share a few details related to Kubernetes and these certification exams.